A lot of the Asian investors are obviously very focused on London. Last year in 2013, 52% of the transactions in London were done by Asian investors. They really do see London as the gateway to the West and London as their trading post. So I think we are seeing a variety of countries and a variety of types of investors coming into London first, and then maybe once they get educated and comfortable and understand the market, they might start venturing out to regional UK and on the continent. However, I think that will probably be with a local partner, whereas a lot of the investment in London is coming through directly. The types of investors we're seeing is the sovereign wealth funds, the state-owned enterprises who seem to be coming over to sort of hedge currency as the Asia economy starts to slow down. There's been relaxed regulations in China and Taiwan, so we're about to see a lot of insurance companies come over. We saw Ping An come in last year and buy the Lloyd's of London building at 6%. But previously in 2009, 10, 11 and 12, the Malaysians were over here first. They bought and set up quite big, large office portfolios in London, and we're now starting to see them venture into the regional UK and onto the continent. The Koreans are really looking at tier 1 cities, so they are really only looking at the New York, London, Sydney, Shanghai at the moment. But again, they might club together and come in and want long leases. The Hong Kong and Singapore investors that we're actually seeing seem to be very development focused, and there's been a big shift of a lot of them coming in, not buying the prime sites, but buying the sites in up and coming areas of London. So we've seen Dali and Wonder come in and buy in Vauxhall, we've seen Night Dragon come in and buy down in Greenwich, we've just seen Greenland, which is one of the state-owned enterprises from China, come in and buy down in Wandsworth. And of course we saw the Malaysians come in and buy Battersea Power Station a few years ago. It's all very mixed-use development, but it is residential-led, and a lot of these apartments are being sold off-plan to the Asians themselves.